Hi, good evening. Tonight we aren't doing anything fancy. We are just adding a reverse function for the front end, similar to how with Django, if you have, well, really any URL, here, let me just run to a test case real quick and I can show you what I mean. If you have any URL and you want to be able to access that URL without without having to put the explicit URL, you can just reverse it with the name, which is very, 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 very helpful. But I realized that I've put about I don't know, probably 150 URLs in the front end without ever actually making a reverse function, which is not wise to say the least. So we are doing that. Uh, Tonight, and it's a very simple function. You just have to actually do it. So I have reverse.js and then a function reverse, and I have a reverse API, and then a reverse front end maybe, just so we can have different URLs for each. Actually, let me look real quick and see if we have a reverse function for React router. If we do, then I won't need to do one for the front end. Um, struct URLs for links. Okay, let me read over this real quick. So generate path from React router DOM. Let me see what this actually does. Is used to generate URLs to the routes. Okay, that's cool. Nice. So nothing too fancy, really. Okay, so in that case, do I really need a reverse for the front end? I would say no. So with that being said, I think we'll probably just not have this, and this will just be reverse URL. Okay, and let's have a not query, just name, and we're gonna do a switch statement. Do switch. I forgot how to write these exactly. I think it's case. Okay, so in this case, let's do. Actually, let me split this and go to helpers.js and just start there. I'm not going to replace everything in here tonight. I'll just do that as I go along. But for now, you know. Okay, so let's do case user info. And the one actually, thing I have just realized, how do we handle, actually, I guess, okay, I was going to say, how should I handle both user info and user info with a different parameter, but I feel like I can just handle that uh, when I use the function. I can just reverse URL user info plus username. But let me think about that real quick and see if there's a better way to do it. Um, well, you know what we actually here, what we could do is just include args. And then what we do is, okay, so we say case user info. If it's user info, let's set uh, constant URL is equal to, what is that? I'm going to add a constant base URL in case this ever changes, slash API. So base URL plus counts user info. Then what we can do, okay, am I writing case? Hold on, I know I have switches or a switch statement somewhere in here. Uh-oh, this might blow up. Okay, let me just, it's an auth.js, I can tell. Oh, wait. Okay, I think I need to do like this, then throw this in here. Maybe? Okay, let me just go look at auth.js. So case, that looks fine. Oh, I think we need to do a switch on name, basically. Unexpected lexical, I don't know what that is. Let me Google it. Unexpected lexical case block. Directly inside the key. Okay, this is just creating results by creating block. Use that to create the block scope with case like this. That's weird. Okay. Basically a block, you limit the scope. Okay, well that makes sense. But why can I not do this thing? Because this should be fine. No? Um, okay, this is really weird. So that braces is called, jeez, I didn't realize I was going to have to learn how to do a switch statement. Um, doesn't think I need those braces. This discourage because it results in the variable being in scope outside of your current case. Oh, be in scope. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, so in that case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have another function, add args. This was something I was thinking about anyways, but I want to do it just since we're here. So what we're going to do is we're going to call add args with that, right? Then we're going to, let's see. Okay, so we have our base URL and we need to add all the arguments to it so we can use for each now, or, okay, so if args is an array, we can use map to map everything. So we return URL plus args dot map. Let's see, so arg, if our URL has a trailing slash, actually, it's not contain trailing slashes just so you can always, well, actually, no, let's do contain a trailing slash here. Do like this. And that way we can just do this, I believe. Wait, no, that's wrong. Arg plus slash, I think. Will that work? That should work. No? We'll see, I guess. All right, firstly, I want to go ahead and export default reverse URL. Well, I also need to pass args to this. But I can actually just test this because it is just a JavaScript file. So let me call reverse URL user info. Pop open a terminal, cd frontend, source features list. Let's do it. What is this? Just npm first.js. Wait, I forget how to run scripts in the terminal. Um, there. I think it's just npm run first.js. I forgot. Okay, I completely forgot how to run scripts in locally, at least. How to run scripts npm. Okay, now I just how to run JS file. But I shouldn't have to do that. I should just be able to... Because I know I've done this in the past. Where I can just... Okay, I really don't like medium, but... Oh, node. Yeah, I'm going insane. Okay, there we go. Okay. It would help if I called args. So, well, actually, oh, that also brings to mind I should have a case if args is none, but in this case, let's just do this. I should also console log that. Console.log. Why is that undefined? Let me... Here, let me... Oh, because it doesn't return add args. API counts user info. Okay, so what is... So let's make sure that args is getting here. First, let's go here. Args gets there. So why is args.map none? Or undefined, whatever you want to call it. Console.log. I'm actually not done like JavaScript fundamentals in so long. That's very possible. Or should I not be using map? Yeah, as I said, I haven't really done JavaScript fundamentals. 'Cause I need to flatten the array basically just into a string. I know there's a function for this. Oh, there's literally just a function. Okay. So I think it's literally just args.join. That as a separator. Yeah, it's literally just that. Okay. And let's append a trailing slash to that. Okay, that looks fine. Now I guess if args is none, let's see what happens. I don't know how .join functions. Yeah, that won't be very happy. So let's just do if args, return that, else return URL. Okay. And then just do args is equal to, well, actually not args, args is equal to, Oscar, we'll just add some other bogus ones, bogus, just to make sure that works fine. It does work fine. Okay, awesome. So now I just need to add a whole bunch of names to these, which is going to be fun. But firstly, I can go ahead and change this. Select that, and let's reverse URL. User, not caps. User, perhaps I should do that just so it's in line with JavaScript. I don't really know. Maybe I just do all, yeah, you know what? We're gonna do all caps. 'Cause why the hell not? Okay, user info. In this case, this is no username, so you can just do reverse URL. And then for this, we can instead do reverse URL user info with my args as username. There we go. That looks very nice. And I'm going to call the video right there. Thank you for watching if you did watch this long. And yeah.